So right now in round 4, the last round, Kingslayer has already won the last round 3-2. And the standings before that you guys wanted to see. So Kingslayers have made it to 3. Now will they qualify? Probably, yeah.
So we are at 11, right? 11 and 3 points. Tiebreak is 11.
Yeah. Agash is 1 against Asmi. Ooh. Asmi was winning by 2 points, I think. Oh, Asmi was upper rook. Why did she castle? She could have saved her bishop. Right? Bishop c3 or bishop.
But the bishop is trapped.
Why? Can I not go to bishop d4? How is it trapped?
I take.
Bishop
So
c3.
that's a free bishop.
So bishop
So
c3.
you can't take.
I guess.
I'm saying bishop d4. What is the problem?
So you can just take it, spin the pawn.
Oh yeah. Okay. Bishop c3. Then
And then rook c1.
rook c1. Yeah. At least get a pawn. It's an exchange up. Okay, fine. After that, takes and oh, the attack happens. She already started running with it. Where's the echo coming from? Oh, she allowed the pieces to enter. And then Akash just gave checkmate. Wow. That's
Sir, can you look at my game against Nandita? I was just up a full rook, but I mouse slipped, sir.
It happens. You need to get over these things when you go for a next round. And what is this issue with camera? You just need to understand that camera has to cover the playing screen and you. Just that much. How does something cover your screen and yourself? If you keep it not front or back, if you keep it sideways. So all these things you can manage yourself so that while playing nothing else disturbs you. And last round's mouse slip, it happens. That's how the game goes when you're playing online. So you have to get over that and do well for the next round. In next round also, it didn't go well, right? Blunder happened. What was the game I was just looking at? It was...
So you were looking at Akash versus Asmi.
Yeah, Akash is one.
Sir, I want to tell you a thing. I think tactical masters are also out of
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
But we can.
Okay. All those calculations you can do yourself, everyone. No need to tell here. Let's just look at the remaining games. Ambi versus...
Persec bullet one.
One. Sure.
Sir, 1 minute. I'll check again.
No, it's okay. I'll check.
Yes, so he won.
8 moves.
So what checkmate is that? Or resignation.
So it's 2-1 here. This is close. Here it is 2-1. Here also it's 2-1. But here it doesn't really matter. Crazy versus it might matter. They will need a good score too.
Can we see the last board of Buckings and Bishop Brigades?
Sir, if the other
Can you please show me the standings?
1 second. No standings now. Right now, if you want to see the standings, check in WhatsApp. It's already there. Now everything is there. You can do your calculations yourself. Here, Shreyansh is completely winning. So if Shreyansh wins that will make it 2-2. If Shreyansh wins, it will be 2-2.
So then Kavya versus Samarth is
That
very
becomes very
crucial.
crucial.
Can I give some?
Samarth Kavya game. Kavya's upper pawn, but a king
Kavya infiltrated the 7th rank.
with his unsafe king.
Yeah.
That is more important, right?
Black has
Yes,
more
sir.
pieces
And the
active.
pawn is good. Black just needs 1 or 2 more pieces to come in. But it's not possible for him to move his rook much.
Please jump a piece, Kavya.
Kavya's upper piece? Oh yeah, Kavya's upper piece. That is great. Did Samarth sacrifice? Looks like it.
Sir, if we
Sacrifice?
win, we'll get 3. Sir, if we win, can we go up?
I don't know about that.
Because
All
we
the
are winning with the second rank positions.
That is not the tiebreak. No, tiebreak is not based on who you defeat. Oh yeah, if you defeat second, I don't know. Let's see. Vidhu was 1 against Siddhant. Where is Vidhu?
So poison pawn versus Knights of Terror.
So there it is 2-0. Poison pawn also need a good score. Standings are this. Poison pawns are on 1. They need a good tiebreak and have to reach 2. These guys have to reach 2 with a good tiebreak to qualify.
So Vidhu beat Siddhant or Siddhant beat Vidhu?
Vidhu beat Siddhant.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
So for it you put 1-0, sir.
One person at a time. One person at a time. Ronak was saying.
Sir, so tactical masters are not out.
It's 1-1. Okay. Tactical masters, I do not know. Mathematical calculations you need to do to decide that.
Can
And
we check King's game?
whose game?
Just Kings and pieces of glory.
So someone offered a draw.
Yeah, it's 1-1. So Nandita's game is there, Purvita's game, Bruno's game. 3 games going on. Let's see Bruno's game as well.
Sir, actually, when you were showing the tape, that thing where it was like that this team is on the first and all,
Huh.
for that it showed that pieces of glory is qualified.
Because it already on 3. So
Uh,
nobody-
sir?
Sir, someone blundered a rook.
Who,
Sir,
Samar?
sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, if Kavya and Samar have a draw, so what will happen?
They'll get 0.5 point. I mean, the team will be tied, right? It'll be, where is that? There'll be 2.5, 2.5. So both teams will get 0.5 as score,
Okay, sir.
not 1. That'll be difficult for both teams, actually. But yeah, Kavya is completely winning now. It's gone.
Sir, I just lost.
The queen also went or what in that team?
Yeah, plus 21. Bishop Brigade have won. Not with a great score, but still have won.
Sir, I lost.
Okay, who lost?
Sir, do comeback kings have a chance of qualifying?
You need to do that calculation yourself, Adri. 1-0. It's 2-1 here. Samri's game is going on, right? Vrikshav's game as well. Let's see. Where is Vrikshav?
Sir, in pieces of glory, how many games are left?
Yeah, Vrikshav's game here. In Piece of Glory. Piece of Glory,
Yeah.
just 3 games are going on.
Okay.
Kavya has won. Any games we are missing? And
one.
Pooja has won. Nice checkmate there. Night covering. Wonderful. That was the only
Sir,
goal.
someone drew on your screen right
I
now.
can see that, Yati. So it is Bruno was one. So where is Bruno? Yeah. It's 2-1 for Pieces of Glory. They're doing well, but Purvita
Bishop
and
Brigade won.
Aditya's won, right? Let's just see. Yeah, Aditya had already won. Ambi's game, Purvita's game. 2 games going on. Ambi's game is equal, but White has Ambi has a nice.
Then Nandita is slowly descending into time trouble.
Yeah, this game is very important now. Good position for White. Pieces are active. Rook is out of play. It looks aggressive, but it's just alone there.
H5, H4.
Sir,
Yeah.
so what if Queen D5?
Queen D5?
Yes, sir.
Queen D5 is, yeah, it's coming. Did he have that option? Yeah, there was the option of going there. Then Bishop D6.
So then Queen G.
So I think that's why she played knight to
Queen
c4 first.
Yeah.
So it's a very aggressive game.
Just go for a pawn come on the king side. Sir, like it
D5,
must
H5.
be difficult for
D5, H5, H2.
Haris here.
then-
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
One second. Yati
Sir,
was
I
saying. One person at a time. Yati was speaking.
Yeah, sir, for in this game, there is very less time for the person up.
Yeah. But there is increment 10 seconds every move, na? So you can manage. Right now,
So
she
the
should have
exchange.
exchange. That was not needed. Okay, she gets a pawn. That's why she did that. But oh my god. But okay, it's just a check. King can move, attacking the rook. So it's still a pawn. Pawn is still gone. Ambi has
Sir, but queen can go.
huh?
Queen
Queen could have
King G2, Queen B1.
Queen D1.
No, Queen E1, King G2, then Queen B1.
Queen check. King G2. Then what?
So then Queen D1.
Queen D1 now.
B1.
I take your rook. Rook's hanging.
Hold on.
So can you show Yatin versus Vrikshav?
Yatin is completely winning. We can consider this a win itself.
Sir, why do you need to write before they finish the match?
After we finish, also you have to write now. So why not do it now then later?
So I was being efficient.
Aha. Sampreet versus Aditya.
It's
I'm
very easy.
trusting Yatin.
Sir, in my match, I blundered the rook and still I won.
Yeah. That was some Asmi got scared of the pieces coming in, so she allowed the pieces to come in.
No, sir.
Rook D1 is winning.
I was just too good.
No, she just ran with the king even before somebody. So when somebody attacks you, you got to defend there instead of running with the king. That's a lesson Asmi got today. You can't run all the time with your king. And here it is equal. Wow. Is this game important?
Sir, rook to d1, sir. What is?
It's not important. It's already 3-1, right? Person pawns 3-1. Anyway, here you are saying rook to d1. Rook to d1, you're leaving your king alone. It's checkmate. You can't do that. Oh, wait, it's not checkmate.
No, sir, it's pinned.
So rook E1.
Okay.
Rook E8, rook E8.
Huh? Yeah. So
Sir,
rook
but
d1,
if you take it up, still we can
Here
move
we just
with
take rook E8, rook
1%
E8.
at a time.
Arey, rook e8, then just king h2. What so much?
Rook
Rook-
e8, king h2.
No, sir, rook d1. Sorry, rook d1, and then no, sir. Black was playing just king h2. Then what?
So white is better, isn't it? Yeah, white looks better. If you played rook d1.
So he played rook d1. So now what matters is just Aditya's response.
Yeah, yes, less time. What about this game? This game, what's Nanda is below 30 seconds. She's under pressure. She's given up the h2 pawn as Amvi, but of course she cannot take because of checkmate. So she defended, did Nandita. Now everything is covered, but there's a mate and it's gone. Amvi has won.
So can you go back, sir? I didn't see it.
1 second, it's now 2-2.
Purvita
Purvita's game will decide.
Sir,
Yatin,
can you show? Oh my God.
Purvita's game, where is Purvita? This game will decide who is winning. Okay, Purvita's up a knight.
Sir, Purvita should win this. You can put another game.
Okay.
Sir, black actually.
Yes, sir. This
did
game is very interesting, sir.
1 second, Akash was speaking.
nothing. Sir.
Very nice. I should support Akash.
Yes, sir.
Niranjan.
So are only these 3 games remaining.
I think so. Purvita's game. Here it's done.
Yes,
Here one game. Here one game. Which of the games is important? This. Oh, here 2 games.
Sir,
Nishit
in
versus
Nandita
So
Riya.
Nishit
versus-
versus Riya, you've not shown.
One person was speaking. Who was that?
Sir, it's Yati.
Okay.
Yeah, in the match where you just wrote 0-1,
Huh.
was it Avme Prakash won or the first
0-1
one?
means the right side person won. 1-0 means this side person won. So this means Ambi won. Niranjan Shankar will decide who wins.
So 2-2, sir, again.
Yeah. Here also, here is 3-1. So here it's 2-2, here is 2-2. Purvita, this is very important. This is not that important, but for Crazy Horses, it is important.
The Knights of Terror will they reach the semis?
It's 3-1, right? So Knights of Terror will be on 1 point. No, they will not.
Okay, sir.
Knight bought 3000 game over.
Sir,
Yeah, and here let's see what happened. Oh, one rook got exchanged. King h2 was played. Rook takes, bishop g4. This knight is a very good defender. That's why black is not able to do anything here. And now rook e5. Queen is trapped. No, yeah,
Wow.
queen is gone.
So he could have taken with the. He could have moved his queen.
Bishop sacrifice saved the
She was
queen.
hanging. Queen g4. Queen g4.
Yes, a queen g4.
Bishop sacrifice.
The bishop is just trapped.
So now the queen is trapped, sir. This is a lost game.
Yeah, but you don't see rook
What if
e5.
bishop f5?
Bishop f5 is still.
Sir, why would someone want to take the rook?
Because someone makes mistakes, Yati.
sir,
Yes, Arav. Who is it? Arav, right?
by the way, the game of Poison Pawn 7.
1 second, please be quiet.
Who is Yati?
You guys are in winning positions.
Who is Agash?
Akash. Hello.
Nobody questioned.
Sir, Sony, Niranjan is winning.
from sir?
Yes, sir.
Who's that?
Niranjan is. How is Niranjan winning? It's equal, right?
There are 2 pieces for the
Yes,
rook.
it's equal.
two
So it's
pieces
equal.
for the
2
rook, yeah.
pieces for a.
Two
Sir,
pieces for the
Swami
rook.
Believer is
From-
giving 15 seconds.
I don't know why he's helping his opponent. What is wrong with
Get
it?
disallowed in the
It
game.
would have been on 1 minute if this was not done.
The narrator is very kind.
For
You should
the teams ones, like the current standings.
Niranjan is dancing right now in the video. I don't know. He's very happy.
So can you show Pranav versus Purvita?
Sir, is he doing
This
a
game is the
jig?
most crucial game. If Purvida wins, then that's Chess King. That's good for Chess Kings. They'll probably qualify. And she's up a piece. But more unfortunate things have happened. Like someone getting checkmated when they're up a queen.
So can you show
Sir,
unlegend?
Pranav is in Pieces of Glory, right?
Pranav
Sir,
is
who
in
got
Pieces of Glory.
checkmated when they were up a
Kala
queen?
against somebody. I don't know who was the opponent.
Chess Avenger Arav.
No.
Twix. So also like someone offering their draw when their team is losing also very unfortunate things.
Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, it's Pranav was offering draw. But they're already qualified.
So what are the semifinals times?
10 o'clock and 12 o'clock. First round 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, second round. And then finals 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock.
C6, B5, knight D5 is winning.
What is winning?
C6, B5, knight D5.
G6, C6, B5, knight, D5. Mating net. The king is in a mating net. Purida has found it, I think. I don't know if she
So
found
can you
it.
show unlegend Kings game?
Even this, okay. No. First knight D5, right? Or first, okay. He plays G4 to stop it.
Anyways, knight D5.
Knight D5, pawn takes. Rook takes.
Rook into, and then we take with the rook.
No, it's made. No, king G4. The knight. Okay. Knight D5.
B3, king B3.
Hmm? King B3. Oh, yeah. King B3 when rook is here. Huh? Knight
Yeah, but
D5.
still
Pawn
There's
takes.
no B.
King moves. Rook takes. Yeah.
So can you show unlegendary Kings game?
Oh, this is totally winning for Aditya. Oh, he found the way to not give up the queen, bishop f5, and then saved the queen, but it's totally gone. It's mate incoming, cannot be stopped. Somebody is in huge time trouble as well.
Sir, F6.
F6? Fine.
It's just a piece. It's nothing actually. It doesn't do anything.
It makes space for the king. Rook check, king moves, rook check, and mate.
But anyways, it's like queen of 6 times.
Samrit has won. Sorry, unless the king has won. So that makes it 4-1. That's what Poison Pawns needed. A good victory. So 2 games left. Big Believer is offering
So
an
this one
extended-
is like
2 pieces for the rook in an endgame. Sonic
Sir,
Believer
in the game of Pieces of Glory and Chess Kings, there is
that
only
happened. The
one
line
team of
happened. This line happened. Knight d5 was played. Purida played knight d5.
Is it checkmate or what?
No, it's not checkmate. You can move.
Okay, so it's still going on.
Yeah. Exact line got played.
Sir, but white has the no.
Black is up a piece. Purida declines a draw.
King h6 is there, not the checkmate. Sir, but why do they send draws or resigns in between the game?
Resign because they don't mind losing the game. If the position
draw.
is
This
good,
is
they
not
resign.
being
But to
sportsman.
get a draw. What are you saying? Bro,
Sir, but when we're playing a very low rating, like our opponent is very low rating, then we lose in the draws and the resigns. Like we
Resign
get
means
very
loss. Whether you get
little.
checkmated or you resign, it is loss. There is nothing special for resigns.
So can you show the teams?
1 second.
This is the best team, Jen.
Yatin, congratulations. His mic has come back.
Yes, sir. I fixed it. Yay.
Sir, can you go into this game 1
So
minute?
did Poison Pawns win or lose? Oh my god.
We won.
Go on for poison pawns.
So look
All
at the
the-
happiness.
All the poison pawns came to life in the last round. Joe won. Very high difference in rating. Look at this. 300, more than 200. points.
down.
Sir, my opponent just geek up in a blunder. I'm like, bro,
Wow, what is happening here? See this? Wow.
Sonic believer.
How will white defend?
Oh my god.
Oh, he
one-
had to
this is
play
one
bishop.
move.
He had to
But it's fine. There is one more.
Sir, check if you're muted. Oh my god. Check if you're muted in the
Bishop
screen.
D1.
I'm
You have to
muted,
play
I'm
Bishop
muted.
D1
G5
instead
now
of
G5.
One person at a time, please.
Sir, G5.
G5 and oh here G5. Okay. G5 wins, right? Yeah. G5 is made.
we should go
Did
back
it
Oh,
look
that's
like-
also better.
Okay, Shankar didn't find G5.
I think this is still good.
Rook there. Oh, there is no pawn move. How do you defend?
Niranjan regrets giving battle
10
Shankar
seconds, 15
Yeah.
seconds.
30
Look
seconds.
at this.
Sir,
30 seconds.
so he's gone.
Yo, my god.
Sir, he has exactly
So
30.
Shankar just
It's
turned the
made.
game around.
Wow, Shankar has turned it around for his team, right?
So Shankar became a clutch god.
Yeah.
Clutch god, exactly, clutch god.
Rolling Rooks have one final moment of happiness.
Final
3-2.
moment of happiness.
They
At last, Rolling Rooks won a game.
Oh,
And now Pranav and
did
Dhruv.
my team
Congratulations,
qualify or
Akash.
not, sir?
That calculation you can do yourself, Aditya. I cannot.
Dhruv, you won or
calculate.
lost?
No, I won.
Sir, Aditya has very small brains.
Yatin, I won.
Be
All-
quiet, okay, shut up.
I lost because of a silly blender.
Shut
Yeah,
up,
yeah.
okay.
This Bishop,
won.
Bishop.
I lost
One ex-student, you won. You ex-student, you won only 2, okay, so shut up. I won 3, okay, you won only 2.
Just
Hey.
don't
Only
learn
one
from those two.
student
They
and
are
I
brothers,
lost.
so I'm not saying anything. But if two
Viksha
other
and
people start
Legendary.
talking like that to each other, then I'll. It's because they're brothers, they have the license to do.
Sir, I did a very bad blender.
Yeah, very bad blunder.
Sir, I saw it, but I moved it
Just
over.
see the
I don't know
game.
why.
I dare you, see the
Nobody
game.
here wants to
Saw
know.
it. I saw that threat. I know that, but I played that itself.
That
According to
happens
the threat.
sometimes. That's what we call a brain fade moment.
So now
Happens
let's see the
sometimes.
brain fade movement in action.
Oh, what is this position?
Brain fade moment was Niranjan, who was dancing in the video while his game was still going on. He was too careless, like he was casual, and he got
Sir.
checkmate on G2.
The tournament champion is
So he
dancing.
gifted time also.
Yes.
Sir, can you show Niranjan's game once?
Then what do you call
Sir,
over?
even I want to see my game.
Now
Can
everyone.
you see
wants
my
to know.
game?
Okay,
Did
that's
Just
enough.
once, I
We are
just want
looking
to
at
see
one
that.
game, just one game, which is very important for Chess Kings. Puruda is winning,
Aditya
but
and
she
his
has to
house game. I
convert it.
can't
So
analyze
like,
this.
what is this position?
It's a night up, but it's not that easy to win, right? Okay, now you're getting a pawn, so it's fine. But you're also losing a pawn. Oh, this is.
So whoever wins this game,
So
will they
check,
get the
so
winner?
check.
Then,
Yeah,
then
sir.
Rook B3.
Sir,
You're going
sir.
for a mating attack. Mating net. Rook B3. Rook B3.
Rook B3.
Oh.
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 Sir, Purvida
Yes,
missed a simple
here.
fork. Purvida missed a simple fork. Knight D7. Game over.
Oh, Nidison was there. Oh, okay. It's still there.
Still there unless he doesn't see.
White plays this. White will probably play that. Oh, he moved the rook. Oh,
That's the
it's
same
still-
thing.
Now she plays.
Yeah,
Ah,
she does.
finally, sir, she found it.
Knight E7.
I like it. So my sir, I want to see
Who is
Aditya
that
versus
killer
mine.
boss?
Killer pawn. Oh, killer boss. Okay, she's three.
Killer boss is only
This is gone. Now Purida will easily convert it.
Sir, I want to see me as Aditya runs out game. I couldn't see. I
Sir,
don't
can you
have
put the
premium.
standings?
You know how to use chess.com, Nayyatan.
Sir, I know, but I don't have premium.
Premium to analyze the game. We are not going to analyze everyone's games here.
I
Let's
just
just.
asked because I don't have premium.
Analyzer needs us.
Bro,
Sir, why is
All
that
that
brain
hard
fade
time
happen?
Yeah, you can. Yatin, you can
Why
export
does
the
brain
game
fade
onto
happen?
Lichess.
Lot of things can lead to brain fights, Vriksha. Not being fully aware of danger.
Sir, don't put Purvita's thing yet, sir. She might.
It's
Sir,
okay.
Sir, I just saw that move
I
1
just
second
told you,
ago and I thought I should not play that, but I played that.
No, so it's possible for it's possible for
I'm
Putta's
okay.
opponent to win, so it's possible.
Yeah.
possible, very possible.
Aditya, look at my username.
No, kill boss. Kill
Whose
boss.
username?
Yes, Army.
So you put final standings for day 1.
Or chess army over
Good.
there.
Sir, can you show the sheet what you showed? Yeah, this man.
What
We
the
won,
hell?
Yes, sir,
so-
can you show the final
Sir, I
Yeah.
think we are qualified. Yes, we
Killer
are
boss.
qualified for
Okay,
sure.
time to mute everyone while I update the.
No, why you?
No killer boss. Yes, killer boss.
Didn't I just mute people? Hold this up. Draw? Oh my god. Purda messed it up. She's doing a basic rook and queen checkmate when the king is still here. Instead of just giving checks. Oh my god. That is just silly. That makes it 2.5, 2.5. If that team doesn't qualify, that's thanks to the stalemate. Piece of glory, chess kings, 2.5, 2.5. Pieces of glory, 3.5. Chess kings, 2.5. 15.5. Sorry, 12 plus 2.5, 14.5. Here, 10.5. Kingslayers, Tactical Masters, 3-2. Kingslayers, oh, sorry. Chess Kings, yeah. Kingslayers, 3, 11. Tactical Masters, 2 and 8. 2. Okay. Next, Bishop Brigade, Comeback Kings, 3-2. 2, 11.5. 10.5. Poison Pawns, Knights of Terror, 4-1. 2, 12, 8. Rolling Roofs, Tracy versus 3-2. Rolling Roofs make their first point. 6.5. Correct, no? Let's see. Why has everyone raised hand? Did I make a mistake?
Suraj, you can unmute, sir.
No, Agash, definitely not.
Sir, but then you let us unmute.
Because I thought you had a serious question, but I should have not overestimated.
Sir, did you add tactical masters points?
Tactical Masters are on 8. They were on 6 right before. You can check.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Sir, actually, Bishop Brigade and Comeback Kings, King should come after. Sir, all the games are over.
Yes, Ronak. For these silly things you raised hand, na? That's it. Aditya stuck at a very important moment.
Sir, so what is they going to say? Yes, sir, can you move the like positions?
What positions? For these silly things you're asking to raise hand, okay, that's it. Now, this is the scores. 3.5. Piece of glory qualify with 3.5. Chess Kings also qualify. Did I add anybody's points wrong? No, right? Should Brigade 1. Again, people have raised up. What is this? Poison Spawn with that incredible performance have qualified. And Comeback Kings and Tactical Masters, because of their tiebreak, they don't qualify. Oh, Kingsley is around 3. Sorry. Oh, actually, I made a mistake. Kingsley is around 3, right? Yeah, that match was important for them. That means Bishop Brigade unfortunately don't qualify. Kingsley is qualify. So these are the final standings. Let me enable unmuting.
Sir, why do you miss for
So
Kingsley?
is it
My brother was jumping
one
so
versus two
loud.
or Kingsley versus 1 versus 3?
So everyone should start speaking at the same time. So it'll be very nice, very noisy and wonderful.
Sir, did you upload
No, nobody wants to say anything.
round 3 commentary?
Nobody wants to say anything. Okay, so
Did you upload
Sir?
the round 3 commentary?
Sir, Aditya has kept his name as High Vriksha.
Because you was like high.
So is it 1 versus 2 or 1 versus 3?
Sir, when will you send the
individual I'll be doing this after doing this video, after this. So now these are the final standings. Semi-final and final fixtures will be uploaded by tonight 9 o'clock, and the individual prices are based on today's performance on all the boards: board 1, board 2, board 3, board 5.
so the best performance player from each team will get a prize, right?
No, not by performance from each team. From all the board 1s, whoever played well, board 1 best prize. Same way, board 2 best player, board 3 best player, board 4, board 5, like that.
Sir, actually, I want to ask one thing.
Yes,
Sir?
one person at a time, Yati.
Yeah, sir, when will you send the rules of semi-finals?
By 9 o'clock today, by tonight.
Okay, sir.
So we will end the meet. Anybody else has a question?
Myself.
Sir, when you'll upload the commentary, third
Now
round
itself.
commentary and fourth one also?
By 9
Sir,
p.m.
when will you tell the best players?
By day after tomorrow. Bye everyone. See you guys.
Sir, 1
And,
minute,
have
sir.
a good
Sir,
night.
1 minute. 1
Yes,
minute.
sir.
After
Sir, you want to play a 10-minute match now?
Definitely not, Akash. Bye.
Anybody wants to
The last week you lost.